What's going on, guys? So I just picked up some new bumper cases and some new watch straps for my Apple Watch Series 4. Now I picked up this red set a week ago, and I didn't do an unboxing or anything like that because I think it was just a simple bumper case and the straps. But since I've been using it, I found that it feels really nice. It looks decent. I've actually had people compliment me and say, hey, that's a really nice watch. And I'm like, yeah, it's the Apple Watch. They didn't know that it was the Apple Watch. They just saw the bumper case and the straps. And they're like, man, that looks pretty good. So I was like, yeah, that's the Apple Watch. So I figured, hey, if somebody thinks that it looks nice, why not pick up a couple more? And I figured since I picked up a couple more, I'll do a quick video just to show you guys what it looks like. And it definitely gives you some options to accessorize your Apple Watch where you don't need to go out and spend $49, or in my case, I bought the Milanese strap in gold because I have the gold Apple Watch, the aluminum. I paid $170 for that thing after taxes for the Milanese, and I figured the reason I picked this up is because I don't want to use that strap when I'm working out, or if I'm out and about. If I'm not going anywhere special, I didn't want to just be wearing the Milanese strap every time. So I figured get some extra straps. Everybody has said that the stuff on Amazon feels just as good as the regular Apple stuff. So I figured, hey, let me give it a try. So I picked these up. Like I said, it feels good. It looks decent. So I figured, let me grab some more. So I grabbed these bumper cases. Now, these were off of eBay. You can get these on Amazon. The only reason I got these off of eBay is due to the fact that the ones on Amazon were going to be coming from China, and it was going to take a while. But I got this off of eBay, and they just came in the mail. Took probably 5 days to get here versus coming from China sometime later in the month. And they're basically the same thing. So let me do a quick unboxing of these. As you can see, I got the black and white, and then I got the blue and black. You also got full black. You have full blue. They don't have a full white that I can recall seeing. And I'll throw the link in the description for these. So along with the bumper cases, I got these full Mosa straps, which is what this red one is, to match the bumper cases. So let me do a quick unboxing of these, show you guys what they look like. If you guys are interested, you can definitely go out and order some of these, and they are not expensive at all. I think the bumper case was definitely under $10. And it's very easy to put on. You can see you got your cutout there. You got your mic cutouts for the straps, and it's very simple. So I'm going to take my watch off. I'm going to try to do this as quick as possible. So that strap comes off. That comes off, and then basically this is what it looks like. You can see right there, power button, and that's what it looks like. So let me take this off, and then throw the other ones on there and see what they look like. So I'm going to throw this one on. And there you go. Goes on just like that. Fairly easy. And you can, if you got to be a little bit aggressive with it, it doesn't seem like it's going to break easily. So that's fine. So this black and white one, I got the strap to match. So get the strap, like 50 said. And these, I got the full Mosa straps. I definitely got from Amazon. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description as well. See, this is what comes in there for Mosa watch band. And by the way, it says 42 on here, but it does fit the 44 millimeter because that's what I have. I have the 44 millimeter Apple Watch. So here you go. This is what comes in a box. You can see These look really, really nice. I'm not even. Nobody's paying me for this. I paid for these myself. Nobody sent me anything. So these look nice, and they feel nice. So you just go ahead, put that in there. It's locked in. Drop that in there. It's locked in, and there you go. Now the white, matches black and white. I wish they had them in a lot more colors because you're going out. You got that. Especially for the ladies, you got, depending on the color of your outfit for the evening, you can match it up a little bit. But, yeah, fairly easy to put on. There you go. Now you switch it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, it really feels nice on the hand. It looks decent. It doesn't look crazy. I know it's a bumper case, but it really, it looks really good. And it feels really good. It definitely protects the outside of your watch in case you bump into anything. I know because when I'm working out, that's one of my fears when I first got my watch was, if I'm bumping this up against weights and anything like that, am I going to chip it? I should be more concerned about the screen, but I can't really find a good screen protector yet. So, but yeah, so I just got these bumper cases. So like I said, you can definitely get these in different colors. I'll put the link in the description for the bumper cases on Amazon. Now, the thing with these are, you're going to see these in different names because my red one had a different name on Amazon. These on eBay had a different name, but the reason why I knew they were the same was because you can see you have this little thing on each corner right here. So that's when I saw it on eBay. It's like, hey, that's the same one. It's just a different name, and it came in a different box. But it's absolutely the same thing as the red one. See, red was from Amazon. The blue here and the white, they're both from eBay. The blue and the white are from eBay, but it's the same thing. There's no difference in them. It's just a different name and just a different seller. That's all it is. So I'll put the link in the description for Amazon. I'll put the link in there for eBay as well, and you guys can definitely check them out. So let me do a quick unboxing of the blue strap, the blue band. Let's see what we got here. See what this one looks like. So there's the blue one. Man, that looks good. That looks really, really good. So I'm gonna, when I got my blue Yankee fitted on and I'm out there, this is why I'm gonna rock it. You know what I'm saying? The blues don't exactly match, but hey, blue and blue, black and blue. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, I'll put the links in the description, and you guys can check them out. Fairly inexpensive stuff. Definitely a good idea to accessorize your Apple Watch if you want to protect the outside of your watch. If you use your hands a lot, if you're working construction or something like that, or you're out doing yard work. In my instance, when I'm lifting, I don't want to be banging the watch up against the weights and whatnot. So I would definitely recommend these right here. Like I said, they're not going to break the bank. So definitely check them out. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.